I'm sure you've heard the news. Albania is the new gem of European travel. Let's uncover its luxurious hotels together. Imagine waking up to the sound of the Adriatic Sea, surrounded by majestic mountains and charming towns. Albania offers a unique blend of history, culture, and luxury. From the elegant beachfront resorts in Immerse to the chic boutique hotels in Tirana, there's something for every traveler. Picture yourself sipping a cocktail by the pool at sunset, or exploring the ancient ruins of Butrint by day. Each hotel tells a story, each one a gateway to unforgettable experiences. Whether you're seeking adventure or relaxation, Albania's hotels provide the ultimate retreat. And the best part? These hidden gems are still a secret to many, making your stay even more exclusive. Ready to discover Albania's stunning hotels? Head over to countrydiscover.com and start planning your dream getaway today. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, leave a comment, and share this video with fellow travel enthusiasts. Happy travels!